Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you how to turn your photos into stunning paintings using Canva's tools. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter your preferred dimensions to choose any size you want. Select 300 by 300 pixels as your canvas size. Next, go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type basketball poster with a painting style. Press Enter to search. Browse through the available options that match your criteria. When you find a suitable poster, click on it to add it to your canvas. Once the design appears, look over the generated image. You can now customize or adjust the poster as needed to fit your project. This process helps you quickly generate creative design ideas. Click the Photos tab in the main navigation menu to view, organize, and manage your uploaded images for your account or project. You can select any option from this list, but for this example, I'll choose this one. After making your selection, you'll see that your choice is applied and ready for the next step. To add a photo with the painting background, click Add Page. Then, browse the available graphics and select a photo similar to this example. This allows you to customize your design by incorporating images that best match your creative vision or project needs. Click Edit, then select See All to view all editing options. Choose watercolor paint from the available filters. I'll demonstrate by selecting a color from the palette. Apply the chosen color to your image to create a watercolor effect. You can experiment with different colors and adjust as needed until you achieve the desired look for your image. Select watercolor from the style options to apply a soft, hand-painted effect to your image, enhancing its artistic appearance. You now have a new image ready. To add a painting effect to your image, follow these steps to apply the effect and enhance your photo creatively. Click the Share button, then select Download to save your file. For higher quality, agree to sign in if prompted. This ensures your download will be in the best available resolution and format. To save the current video as a print, select the Print option, then click Download to save the file to your computer. Turn your photos into stunning paintings with Canva. Give it a try! If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.